Today, we are going to be comparing these smart hula hoops right here. I'm Hoopsmiles. This is Abby. Abby is also going to test out these smart hula hoops, and she's gonna let you know which one's better. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. Already when looking at these smart hula hoops, there are some noticeable differences. This one I have here in my hand, look how less flexible it is compared to the one that Abby is holding right there. Now here's a closer look at the pink smart hula hoop. It has more of these spring-like cushiony plastic things that would rest up against your body. If we take a look at this blue and white one right here, those cushion things are not as springy as the pink one. And actually when I'm pressing these, there's not really much spring, if any spring at all. Another noticeable difference about these smart hula hoops is the buckle is a little bit different as well. When taking these apart, it did seem that the pink one was a little bit easier to take apart versus this blue and white one here. I've also had a lot more experience taking the pink one apart versus the blue and white one. What did you think?
Personally, that one is like impossible to get open for me. I mean, like you have to really work it into the place, and then the buttons slide instead of flipping open, which is harder, so.
Now, in terms of the centrifugal ball weights, when I held both of these in my hand, I didn't really notice a difference, but it seems like you noticed a difference, right?
Yeah, that one felt heavier to me, the white one.
It looks like Abby was incorrect. When weighing both the weights on a scale, the pink one weighed more. Now Abby's gonna go ahead and try out this blue and white smart hula hoop right here. So go ahead and put that on. I'm curious how this experience will go. So once again, it seems like this is kind of harder to...
Oh, I did it.
Oh, there you go. Excellent.
Oh, one thing I noticed right away is that it does not open as much.
And that is a concern because...
Because if you can't fit through this, you can't use it.
Yeah, that's a really good point. How did that feel, putting that on there?
It was easier this time.
I
think once you get practice, it becomes easier. Actually, it's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, how does that feel on your body?
I like the feel of the pink one better.
Oh, you do?
But this one doesn't feel bad.
Okay.
Like, it's not uncomfortable, but it doesn't go down low enough.
Does it not go down low enough because you don't have enough pieces?
Yes.
Do you need more pieces?
Yes.
So currently, I believe there's 24 pieces in here. This is kind of maxed out right here. Now, in terms of the size of this smart hula hoop, if this is currently maxed out, if you want to make it go down further, you're gonna have to buy more pieces or another smart hula hoop and take pieces from that one to put into this.
Or lose 20 pounds.
So now I want you to go ahead and test this smart hula hoop out and let's see how it goes.
Okay.
How does it feel?
Actually, it feels really good.
Really?
Yeah.
Excellent. So why does it feel good?
I don't know. It's like easier.
It's easier?
Yeah.
So this one's easier than the pink one?
Yes. But I mean, like, even when it's going crazy, I can still, like, rein it back in. I wonder if it's because of the rigidity of the...
Okay. Now it's time to test out this pink smart hula hoop.
This one's a lot easier to put on than the other one. I think this one's more comfortable.
Why is it more comfortable?
I think because of the flexibility, because it fits your body better. That one, it feels like a hula hoop is around you, but just a tiny one.
Just so everybody is aware out there, she currently has all of the pieces, so all 24 pieces to this smart hula hoop on right now. All right, time to give it a test spin.
All right.
How does this one feel?
See? The other one's way easier, but I didn't give it a good enough throw that time.
I'm also noticing too, when you throw the ball around, it seems like it goes all different ways.
Yeah.
It's not as parallel, but there you go. And you're also kind of, there you go. So you're kind of being, you have a little bit of control, don't you?
Yes.
How about the smoothness?
And I can make it go faster.
Okay,
I can't do that with the other one.
Okay, here, yeah, try to make this one go faster. Let's see. Wow, you seem to have a lot of control with this one.
Yeah. Oh, I missed the other one.
You missed the other one.
Yeah. Although, I mean, this one is fun, but I can make that one go faster a lot easier. Like if I'm trying to make it go as fast as I can right now, and this is as fast as it'll go.
Now, I am noticing the sound.
Yeah.
This is pretty loud, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's not too bad.
Yeah.
I mean...
It does seem like this one is louder than the pink one.
For sure.
So let's go ahead and stop this one. Wow, look at how it's still spinning around when she stopped moving. That's amazing.
Yeah, the other one just drops.
The other one kind of drops faster,
Yeah.
huh? I must say, I was not expecting this Smart Hula Hoop to perform that well.
Me either. And I wasn't expecting to like it as much as I do.
Me, as someone who has performed for multiple years as a hula hoop entertainer, when I used the pink one in the past, it was very easy for me to do. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is because if you're a beginner, it sounds like the blue and white one is easier for you.
Yes.
Now, I don't know if that's the case for everyone out there.
Or for you, because you can't try it yet.
That's right. Right now, I'm not able to test these things because I am recovering from back surgery. As I am spinning this thing around, I feel like it's pretty easy to keep up. And as you can hear probably in the microphone, it sounds kind of loud. Let's see how fast I can get it to go. Woo! I am really going here. Wow. This is actually feels like quite a workout here. Question, which one do you think is better for working out with?
This one, for beginners at least, because you can control it better. So you can get the ball going faster.
It's very interesting that you say the word beginners because when I was using this Smart Hula Hoop, I was also able to control it as well. And I was able to get it to spin really, really fast around my body. And when I was able to get it to spin fast, it did feel like it kind of upped the intensity of the workout. So I could see that if you got this Smart Hula Hoop and you're not able to have that level of control, then you might not be able to adjust that intensity of the workout on your end. Which one is more fun to use?
This one. It's easier to keep it going, and so it's more fun. If it drops all the time, it's not as fun because you have to keep on throwing it.
And see, that's interesting you say because it's easier, because one might argue that if it's harder, it might actually give you a better workout.
That's true.
So,
That's
you know,
true.
does easier...
Mean better?
Yeah, both of these Smart Hula Hoops, it looks like you can adjust the length of the centrifugal ball. Here's what it looks like when both of the centrifugal balls are at the furthest length. It does look like the pink one goes a little further. Here's what it looks like when these centrifugal balls are adjusted closer. If you can get the ball closer to the Smart Hoop, it can make it spin faster around your body. Whereas if the ball is adjusted further away, it can spin slower. And if it's spinning slower, it can be easier to spin. But regardless, I do recommend getting a Smart Hoop where you can adjust the centrifugal ball. Also, another question is, which one looks better? What do you think?
Pink one.
You like the pink one?
Yeah.
I too like vivid colors in the Smart Hoops, but I know that some people may not like this because if you look at this, I mean, it kind of looks more like a toy.
It does, yeah, or an octopus leg.
This one too, I don't know if it looks like a professional Smart Hula Hoop with the way it looks as well. And just so you know, both of these things right here, they do feel like they're primarily made of plastic. I don't know about you, but when I hold this one, it does feel like it's maybe a little bit more durable.
Yes.
What do you think?
I think so too. I
Maybe-
feel like if you opened this one too wide, it would break.
Now the big question is, which one do you like better?
That one. I
So
do.
what was the selling point with this one?
How good it works. I mean, I don't like how hard it is to put together or get on or off. And it's not as comfortable as this one, but it's more fun, which is what I'm kind of aiming for.
But is it worth sacrificing the comfort?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Because it's not uncomfortable. It's just that this one is more comfortable if I had to compare them.
I must say, I had my doubts about this one right here.
Me too.
Very, very surprising that this one was gonna come out as being the winner on your end.
I know. I was surprised too. I thought that that one was going to be super hard to use because of how like stiff it is.
I know that you said that this is the winner for you. I am still unconvinced. I am unconvinced, and when I am well enough to try this one, I'm gonna have to try it because I'm not so sure, in my opinion, that this would be the winner for me. So that's why I am still unsure, but for you, it sounds like from a beginner's perspective, this is the one that you would recommend.
Yep. Yep.
Wow, that is surprising.
I know. I was shocked.
Very surprising. Wow. So there you have it, everyone. The comparison between these two Smart Hula Hoops. If you want more information about both of these Smart Hula Hoops, I'll put some information about them in the description of this video. And if you want to watch some more Smart Hula Hoop videos from my channel, then check it out. I have a bunch of Smart Hula Hoop videos. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, enjoy.